knowing our dreams. Today, I'm going to perform yoga postures. So, for that, we will sit like this. First, straight. I want to say you something about this, that for doing this yoga posture, you will have to exhale, means to exhale the carbon dioxide out of your lungs. So for doing this, you will have to exhale, and this will go inside, and the carbon dioxide or whatever air is in your body, whatever air is in your chest will go out. So for doing that, we will exhale the air inside our chest. We will exhale the air inside our chest. Then we will do Kapalbhati pranayam like this. You can do this for minimum 2 minutes, and more than 2 minutes you can do also. You can do up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes also, up to your need. How much you can do this is on your capacity. How much you can do this is on your will. Then now this has been, now we will do Bhastrika pranayam. We will do Bhastrika pranayam. We will take air inside our chest in Bhastrika. In Bhastrika, we will do air. We will take air inside our chest. We will inhale air. We will inhale air inside our chest. Then we will do Bhastrika. We can do this also up to 2 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever, up to time, whatever you can do, whatever is your capacity. You can do up to 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute also, but not less than 1 minute. That should be. This was Bhastrika. And this was respiratory pranayam. Respiratory pranayam means it keeps our lungs strong. It makes our lungs strong. Now, this is very beneficial, as you know that nowadays corona is spreading everywhere. So this is very important. So this was Bhastrika, and you can do this to keep our lungs strong. This makes our lungs strong in this corona period. This is very beneficial as well as important pranayam for keeping our lungs strong. Now Bhastrika has been done, and this keeps our lungs strong. As you know, you take air inside, you fill your lungs with air, and then all the air which you inhaled inside your lungs will be exhaled out deeply. As you can do deeply, all the air inside your lungs will be exhaled out. So first inhale properly, then exhale that. That is Bhastrika. Inhale air inside your lungs as much you can fill, and then exhale that air outside your lungs. All air. Now this was all about Bhastrika.